Hey there, Xbox enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tech tips to keep your gaming life smooth and secure. Today, we're tackling how to change your password on Xbox in 2025. With increasing online threats, updating your password is a smart move to protect your account and all that hard-earned progress in your favorite games. This guide is straightforward, assuming you're using the latest Xbox interface, so let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're signed in to your Xbox console or the Xbox app on your device. If you're on the console, head to the home screen and navigate to the Settings gear icon in the top right corner. It's that simple, click on it to open the Settings menu. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and select Account. This is where all your personal info lives. Now, look for Security or Sign In, Security, and Passkey. Microsoft might tweak the names slightly in 2025, but it should be easy to spot. Tap on that, and then find the option for Change Password or Update Password. You'll be prompted to enter your current password for verification, always a good security step. After that, you'll get a screen to create a new one. Remember, make it strong. Mix uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Aim for at least 8 characters to keep hackers at bay. Once you've typed in your new password and confirmed it, hit Save or Confirm. If you're doing this on the Xbox app on your phone or PC, the process is similar. Just log in, go to your profile, and follow the same path through Settings. One quick tip. If you forget your password, use the Forgot Password link to reset it via email or text. It might take a few minutes, but it's hassle-free. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your Xbox password in 2025. This simple update can save you from potential headaches down the road. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more gaming guides, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Stay safe out there, and happy gaming. See you in the next video.